Here's how to check if your router is Wi-Fi 5 or Wi-Fi 6. So the first thing that you're going to do is go to the main settings of your Wi-Fi, and then you will be able to see there the Wi-Fi connection that you're currently connected with. Now click on the I symbol so you will see there the information that you have, and you can go ahead and find there if the network router is a Wi-Fi 6 or a Wi-Fi 7. The other easier ways for you to check is that you can go ahead and copy the router number and ask Google, is and the number of your router number Wi-Fi 6 or Wi-Fi 7? This will be answered very clearly because your Wi-Fi or router number is registered to the whole internet technology. And as you can see, when you ask it, it says that the IP address that you given is not inherently Wi-Fi 6 or Wi-Fi 7 because it is a standard private IP address and used as a default gateway. So now you can just go ahead and log in to your main network and see whole settings.